We added a new line of code that will help us to actually change the speed and LED brightness, and let's actually test that in the project itself. So the first button is of course testing on and off, no change in that behavior. However, the second one, this one, will run an animation wave. Okay, you see that it's running pretty fast. So if you remember, that's the speed potentiometer. Let's change it. Okay, so I will change that a little bit to the left, and I'm expecting much slower animation wave. Now the second one, the second potentiometer, is being used for LED brightness. Now it is set almost to 0. So if I will turn that up to the maximum to the right and then press this button again, okay, you see that the LED are displaying in much stronger light. I hope that you can see that in the video. Maybe I will turn that back and play that again. Now it is much dimmer from the last one. So that's all. We have the two analog sensor, the two potentiometer, one for speed, one for brightness. We learned how to use that in our sketch to map the relevant range. That is super important when we are working with sensor. And of course, to use a method that is called pulse width modulation to be able to emulate an analog output, because we don't have analog output pin in our Arduino.